To make these music sheet ornaments, you need circular wood slices, printed sheet music, red and green felt, ribbon, glitter, a glue gun, foam brush, scissors, a pencil, and Mod Podge. I laid the wood slice on top of the music sheet where I want to have it cut. I took a pencil and traced around the wood slice. I cut it out and covered the front with Mod Podge and added a piece of sheet music. Once it dried, I added a thin layer of Mod Podge and sprinkled on some glitter. Add another coat of Mod Podge and allow it to dry. While the ornament continued to dry, I made the flowers for the front. I found a template online and cut it out. I laid it on top of the felt and used it as a guide. I used hot glue to secure it. I also cut out 2 leaves for each ornament. Add the leaves and the flower to the front and a loop of ribbon to the back. Add to your tree and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.